how to delete MeetMe account. So if you want to delete MeetMe account, then first you need to open up your MeetMe application and make sure to log into your account on MeetMe. And once you've logged in, now you can simply go to your profile, which will be on the upper right. And under your profile, you can simply scroll all the way down and go for settings. And under your settings, here you will have delete account option. So if you want to delete your account, then simply go for delete account. And then if you're sure that you want to delete your account, then tap on yes. And here you need to enter your email and your password one last time to delete your account. So enter your email and your password and then tap on delete account. And that's it. That's how you delete your MeetMe account. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.